since we cut everything off, we need to rip off all this wood because it's gonna die now. It's cut off, and that's hard because the wire support system that helps the plants grow vertically most of the year, now they have the opportunity to cling desperately to it as we have to rip them off when they're their hardest in the winter. It's very foggy. Foggy, foggy. These vines can be pretty tenacious. It's easier today because it's so cold that they've kind of frozen over. I don't know, maybe it's just psychological, but it makes it feel like they're breaking off really easily. Speak too soon. Gotta get all this off to make room for the new growth. Otherwise the leaves will get swarmed out by all this wood that we've cut off during the winter prune. And then we have to put all that wood in the middle of the aisle, every other aisle, so that we can pass through and mulch it. So we gotta grab what falls on the other side and swing it back over into heaps. Look at how creepy it is out here. Foggy. The frost is melting. Time for lunch.